Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and I just got done offending my video team, so now I'm going to answer the question, what are structural setbacks? So structural setbacks are the area around your home where you cannot build structure. You cannot put a permanent structure there. So if you take your survey, your lot is X number of feet wide and X number of feet deep, you're going to have a setback or an area in which you cannot build all the way around that property. Now, on the street side of the property, it's going to be pretty long. It's probably going to be 25 or 30 feet because that's where the driveways go. They can't have houses right up on the street. That'd be weird. Unless you're in a very, very, very heavily urban area, totally different. Even those have setbacks from the street. Now, on the sides of your home, you're also going to have a boundary where you can't build because they don't want you to get too close to encroaching on your neighbor's property. So that said, in the state of Florida, most setbacks are as follows. If you assume these, you're probably going to be safe. However, this should not be construed as a guarantee. You need to look at your local codes, but here is a general rule of thumb just to get you started. What I see most commonly is 7-foot side and back setbacks. There are some areas where it's 5, but most of the time 7 foot on the sides and back, with sometimes a utility easement in the back. That would be marked on your survey. If there's a utility easement, the setback starts on the inner boundary of the utility easement. So if the utility easement, if this is the top line of your property and the utility easement is here, your setback starts on the easement because you can't build into the easement. You have to stay off of it by the length of your setback. So if you have a 10-foot utility easement and a 7-foot setback, you're 17 feet off your property line that you can't build on. Hope they told you that when they gave you the real estate packet and told you you could add on to the house. Now that said, this can be a tough thing to navigate. This can be frustrating. It can be like, why is it set up like this? It's okay. Realize that if you hire someone like Home Love Construction to design your project, we deal with this literally on a daily basis. This is like half of what we do, is dealing with the government and where we can and can't build and how to maneuver to still get you an amazing product without breaking the law, because we can't break the law, right? We can't have them telling us to tear your house down. That wouldn't be cool. But we still have to get you a great product. So if you need help navigating this, whether you are in our Tampa Bay service area or not, we can do either a design for you here in the Tampa Bay area, or we can do a design for you outside of it via our virtual design services. If that would help you, you can go to homelove.construction/design and we can help you start designing your room addition or your custom home. This also really is important when you're doing a custom home design because you obviously can't build in the setbacks, but there are some things you can put in the setbacks. If you want to know more, go to homelove.construction/design and ask us, what can I put in my setbacks? We'd love to talk to you about it more there. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate your attention. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.